Hey Pam, it's Linda Word coming on about the shed. So my brother told me that they're pretty much done on the inside. They still need to caulk all the way around where the new board was set in from the inside, but he told me if I wanted to move some stuff in that would be fine. Now, I don't have the shelf space that I used to have because they had to take two of the shelves out, which is okay. I will use what I got, but I want to clear out a part that's kind of like just sitting out on my other patio on the side of the house, kind of stack all of that stuff up there, and I want to put all of that back into the shed just to get that area cleaned up. So here we go. Enjoy. I also wanted to add that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a piece of a cord that's sticking out of the ground. Apparently, when the sewer line was placed, they actually cut that cord and then turned the breaker off, unknowns to me, but I found out that the cord that they cut was actually to my dryer. So now they have to come back out and run another line so that I can use my dryer. I'm a little frustrated and pissed at this point. But yeah, they should be coming out today. All right, y'all. Bye bye.